Yo, welcome back to It's Okay Garage. Today I'm going to be working on this 2007 Kia Spectra, and today we're going to be changing out that fuel pump. Pull those rear seats out to get to the fuel pump. You got two push buttons down here on each side. They look like that. To pull this fuel pump cover off, looks like it's just glued in by this other one, so we're going to take some screwdrivers, kind of pry it out, kind of lift it out. So I got that pried up. Basically just take a putty knife, go all the way around it, and then next we are going to use the 10, pop that off. Actually, we'll probably disconnect all this first. So pop this fuel line off, pop this fuel line off, undo these sensors. And then on this one, it's just a squeeze style one. Now we got that off, we're going to undo that 10 and pull it out. Now I'm assuming this is a screw style one. So now I got this replacement one, we just did a used one. Just like that, that's how you change out the fuel pump. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you in those next builds.